Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Here we'll set the ringtone volume panel, and now just to mute the ringtone we should swipe this volume panel to the left side with our finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by using the volume buttons here on the right side of our device. And now just by press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, you'll see here these three dots on the volume panel. And after that here we got also our ringtone volume panel. We should swipe this volume panel to the down, and by this way we can also mute our device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.